Weather update in Eden Prairie says bad snowstorm, no driving, stay indoors. Everybody, you must stay indoors. Be scared, you might die if you go outdoors. Really cold, really snowy. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go outdoors and check. When I saw that radar today, I've been through blizzards, so I know what that's like. This blizzard is way worse than the one I've been through, and the one I've been through was really bad. So when I saw that radar today, I knew who would be ever so stupid enough to drive in a blizzard like that.
I am! Wow!
Hey guys, I don't know if you might have seen in the background, but I just got freaking yelled at by some like park ranger or like some like person who works for the city. I don't know who it was. He was pretty chill though. We actually had like a small conversation. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I'm in like this weird campsite area, but oh, no, I did not draw that, by the way. I don't know who did. I promise. I don't know who actually goes here, because I've lived here for like 10 years, and I've never actually seen anybody go here. Here's the ice skating rink. It's not much of a ice skating rink right now. It looks more like one of those like horse racing tracks. I think that's maybe what it used to be. I'm not sure, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm probably gonna let you go. I get it. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Peace. Stay safe out there. I know the weather is really crazy right now. If there is a tornado or something, please let me know. Yeah, I know. I talk about them a lot. Whatever. Bye.